Arkansas and much of the region
Well,
has been under siege from tornadoes.
Another day in paradise. Let's see what the county line looks like today.
The 11th victim of storms this week has been identified as 48-year-old Joanne Bradley of Sharp County.
Looks pretty much the same as yesterday, maybe even down a little bit.
Tuesday night's storms.
Maybe a night of not getting rain helped.
East Arkansas will be around for a while. Apparently, the National Weather Service says the Mississippi River is high, and that's preventing river systems in Arkansas from draining as quickly as they could. The Black River, which has already led to evacuations in East Pocahontas, is projected to set a record when it crests later in the week.
Yep, this is definitely shallower than it was.
For farmers within the native field, but also for growers whose fields are soggy from 10 inches of rain and nowhere for the water to go. Rice farmers are about a month behind on planting.
Good deal.
A week or more of dry, sunny weather for their fields.
Water going down.